Dive into the delightful world of ketogenic cuisine with our free keto cookbook. Masterfully crafted by the brilliant Claudia, it's a treasure trove of 21 delectable recipes, all designed to hit that perfect keto ratio: 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% carbs. Unlock the door to a culinary paradise with our keto breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. From tantalizing morning delights to hearty dinner masterpieces, each recipe is a flavor-packed adventure. Settle only for the best. Our recipes are not merely tasty, they're meticulously balanced to deliver the right mix of keto nutrients for each mealtime. Whatever the hour, we've got a meal for you. Our cookbook makes it easy. With clear-cut ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, you'll whip up these dishes in no time. Each recipe is a tribute to simplicity, without skimping on flavor. Ready to start your keto journey? Download your free copy today. Join the ranks of over 10,000 satisfied users who've unearthed the joy of our 21 yummiest keto recipes. Don't wait. Embark on your flavor-filled adventure now.